Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together.
After a bad streak, confidence fades fast. You start doubting even your best setups. I've been there, hesitation at every click. The solution isn't trading more, it's trading smaller. Reduce risk until the mind trusts again.
Here we're opening a trade in the direction of the trend, this time for an upward movement. We've got a good point of contact and we entered right at the end of the candle. Let's highlight the working area. We can also draw a trend line here, which clearly shows a solid entry point. Overall, we can see that the price should update its local high according to the current upward trend. The price is likely to move into this target range. And the CCI indicator also confirms the bullish dynamic. Let's watch how the trade develops. Even though the current candle is moving down and the next one also opens lower.
Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.
Our entry level is very strong and it's paying off. And yes, these trades close in profit without any problems.
I treat every impulse as a question and every correction as an answer. The chart asks, do buyers still care? If the response is weak selling, I already know my plan. Direction isn't guessed, it's confirmed by behavior. That's how I stay aligned with moment. When the market explodes, I don't panic, I focus. My eyes follow rhythm, not emotion. I practice reacting in seconds, not thinking in minutes. Fast doesn't mean reckless, it means ready. Prepared minds win fast charts.
Here we are opening two trades for a downward movement, following the main trend direction. I believe a pullback should occur here. Let's highlight the working area. Along the trend line we can see a strong point of contact, right where both trades were open. We can clearly observe a price pullback and logically in this zone, a new local high should form. At the same time, the CCI indicator shows a strong exit from the overbought zone, so it's reasonable to expect a downward move. We can see the candle bodies spacing out, confirming that the pullback is underway. The final seconds of our trades are ticking, and both positions close in profit without any problems.
Sometimes I enter and instantly see red. Early that would shake my confidence. Now I let the system play out, no panic exists. If the plan is valid, the stop will protect me. Emotion doesn't belong between entry and exit.
Most people think trading is just about signals, but that's not how real progress happens. I run live sessions where I personally guide people through real strategies and show how to apply them in practice. You can join the free strategy practice inside my Telegram, get daily trading signals, and even access the VIP group for advanced setups. Hit the link below and start your free strategy practice today.